Now I want to put something in your hand and tell me what do you see. Okay? What do you see? Touch it, feel it, sense it.
Marker pen.
Marker pen? Hold on. What color? What's the color of this marker pen?
Red.
Keep your eyes. Give it back to me. Now open your eyes. Open your eyes. How did he know that this is a marker pen and it's red when his eyes are closed?
He saw it before.
You see what I taught you the first day? We don't see with our eyes, we see through our eyes. We see in our brain. He already saw this. He has cells of recognition in his brain. When he touched it, his nervous system is like anything else, like his ears and eyes. The nervous system picks the energy of this, sends the signals to the nervous system, to the brain, and triggers the same set when I say, this is a red marker. That's the same thing when he touched it, he felt a red marker. Because it's in his brain. All what it takes for him to listen to his senses, to the message. Now, if you write a goal card, if you write the card, put it in your pocket and you touch it every day, like 10, 15 times, what's going to happen? You're going to feel it. When you put your hand in your pocket and you have your phone, what do you feel? Your phone. What do you think of? Your car, your phone. And if you have money in your pocket, what are you going to think about? I got money in my pocket. Okay? That's why the power of writing a gold card, keep it in your pocket, that's why is the power. Okay? Believe it or not, it has magic in it. Because it's science, it's physics, guys, okay? So as a leader, he has to develop the habit of connected with his goals, know what goals he has. And that's what we do the first thing in the morning. Most people open their emails the first thing in the morning. Leaders don't do that. The first thing is to lead. Yeah, connecting with people and knowing where you are going is more important than just reading your email. So first thing you do in the morning, know where you are, know where you're going, connect with your people, and then go to your email.